Tignan niyo yung pawis ko. From unboxing and trying to... 1 1/4 cups. Manual. Oh my gosh, guys! Ang pretty niya! Oh my gosh! I can't do it. Kailangan kong pumatong sa chair para mahila ko siya. So, bigat! Oh my god! Legit! Pero sobrang bigat talaga. Tingnan niyo yung pawis ko. From unboxing and trying to pull it out from the box. So, ayan po ang ating pawis. Or let's try another way of getting this out. Ayan! Ang bigat, no joke. Sobrang bigat. Ay, naku, Malaya. Ayun naman pala. Kaya naman pala. See, if there's a will, there's a way. Kasi sobrang bigat na. No joke yun, guys. Yun, eme-eme. So, ayan, another accessory for the mixer. It's pink. I love it. Guys, I finally have a KitchenAid stand mixer. Alam nyo ba, nagdadalawang isip kasi talaga ako dati pa. Lagi ko itong nakikita sa mga department stores, pero mahal kasi. But anyway, nagdadalawang isip ako kasi hindi naman talaga ako nagbe-bake. Although I really want to learn how to bake. Tapos sinasabi ko lagi kay Paco, kaya sa mga sisters ko, kay mama ko, sinasabi ko, gusto ko talagang bumili ng KitchenAid na stand mixer soon. Pero, ayun, I finally have this. Thank you so much, Georgie! It's a dream come true! Siyempre guys, bibinyagan agad natin to today. So, this is the accessories, yung ceramic bowl. Super pretty ng color, white siya. Tapos may mga floral design sa labas. Ganito niya itsura kasi nilagay ko siya sa room, tapos may cut na ako, diba? Giniba ni Bella. Ginkit-inkit ni Bella Boo. Pero anyway, this is the accessory. I've opened this actually. Nung kinuha ko siya. Ito kasi yung unang dumating. Oh, pretty niya! Thank you, Georgie! Cups all-purpose flour. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose, 1/2 teaspoon of... I I'm not a baker. Trying. Okay, medyo ngarag tayo dun mga sis. Medyo na-stress ako sa pagbe-bake. But let's try the cookies! So, ayan! Napakool ko na siya, guys. So, let's try it. Chocolate chips. Now, let's try. Not bad. Okay siya. In fairness, masarap siya. Not perfect, pero okay na. Sobrang matrabaho lang talaga siya. Kailangan mo mag-effort and it takes time to bake a cookie. But I must say, it's worth it. Lalo na pag successful yung pag-bake mo. Pero sa akin, as I've said, it's not perfect yet. Kailangan ko pa mag-practice, mag-bake, hanggang sa ma-perfect ko siya. But most of the time, if you're like me na madalas sobrang busy and don't have time to bake or make cookies, I suggest you guys should try ready-to-eat delish cookie dough. Ito siya. You've seen this from my previous vlog at lagi ako may stock nito. Kasi kung mabilisan gusto kong kumain ng cookies, ito agad yung kinakain ko or snacks whenever I work or whenever I'm on the road. Meron na din siyang spoon inside. Ayan. Tapos open nyo lang to and then pwede nyo agad kainin. Again, ready to eat na to. Perfect to sa mga chikitings or para din sa ating mga adults. So usually pinipare ko to with ice cream. I topped it with vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream. So this ready-to-eat cookie dough is also available in different sizes. Meron tayong 379 grams na medyo malaki siya. Comes in 4 different flavors. Meron tayong cookies and cream, meron tayong chocolate chip, triple chocolate brownie, and the birthday cake flavor. Pwede kayong umorder ng Dolish Cookie Dough sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa AmSnacks official website, and on their Facebook page. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng codes ko na nasa description po ng vlog na ito. Go check it out to get 10% off your orders. Kung taga Cebu mo, available po ang AmSnacks products sa Country Mall and Streetscape. Thank you so much, AmSnacks, for sponsoring today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bisag nakagard over sausatal, very light. And let me know what you guys think about my baking in the comment section. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!